Hello and welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option and how to turn on auto adjust Braille display duration in Motorola Edge 15 Neo phone. So where to look for Braille options and Braille display options. First, settings. Then we need to go to accessibility, next TalkBack, then settings, and now we're looking for Braille display. Then we need to go down to the auto scroll function. And here we have our auto adjust display duration. So we can turn it off or on by simply tapping the switch. It's a simple on or off switch. There are no other hidden options here. Of course, we can manually change display duration if we don't use the auto option. And that's basically it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.